Ito out of the court. Lumpas to Sinisa. Sinisa controlling the ball. Lumpas to Marinito for 3. No good. There's the ball sa Albano. Albano to Junal. Junal Luis Carte to Mr. Sinminse. Goal for 2 points. Sinminse. Lugarda to Sinisa. Sinisa back to Lugarda. Loose ball. 12 second shot clock. 12 second shot clock. Loose ball. 8 second shot clock. 8 second shot clock. Sinisa. 5 second shot clock. Umo. Marianito. Good for 2 points. Marianito. July. Tinawagan ng foul. Foul jersey number 5. Hacking foul.